Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Finally friends, I got hands on with the Lava Agni 2, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and initial impressions review about the Lava Agni 2 device. And right now I do have the Realme 11 Pro Plus device with me as well. I'll definitely do a lot of comparison between these both phones, so especially the display comparison and the performance comparison, and stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested more on the Lava Agni 2 device. And I'm really excited to use this device regarding testing of the performance and overall initial impressions as well. So for the next couple of days, try to watch my channel for more information about the Lava Agni 2. So here's a quick unboxing experience of the Lava Agni 2 device. So this is a color variant which I did order, so which is a 8GB and 250GB variant, and with the Dimensity 7050 processor. And we do get the case, which is a transparent case inside the box, and SIM card pin as well. And this is a transparent case, and is a charger, and is a Type-C to Type-C cable we do have in the box, and this is a charger brick, and it is a 3.5 to the Type-C adapter in the box, so which is available in the box as well. So with battery capacity of 4700 mAh of battery capacity and 66 watts fast charging in this Lava Agni 2 device. So let me do boot up the device right now. So definitely friends, for the price what it's offering, it's really very good for the 20,000 rupees. So you're getting the really very good curved display and stock Canada experience. So Dimensity 7050 processor in the Lava Agni 2 device, and right now the phone is booting up at this moment. So I'll try to do the initial setup and everything, and I'll be back. So right now friends, as you can see, these are the few applications which has been installed in this Lava Agni 2 device, so which is completely stock and experience. And definitely the haptic feedback feels pretty good in this device as well. Right now I can definitely feel, and I'll definitely do a lot of comparison with other smartphones regarding the display. Display also looks really very amazing for the price what it's offering, the Lava Agni 2 device. So I'll definitely focus on the display performance, even on the haptic feedbacks also. I'll definitely post a video on that, separate video, because I can get actually really very good haptic feedback for the 20,000 rupees. This is another phone. So meanwhile, signing off friends, let me know in the comment section below what are other videos you want me to upload on this Lava Agni 2. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and signing off, and bye. But my initial impressions are like really very good on this device, very positive till now, but I need to test out and I need to do more reviews, and then we'll try to talk about after using a couple of days about the performance of the Lava Agni 2. Until then, signing off, and bye.